Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Settings and navigating to System, then Power and Sleep. This is where you control sleep behavior. Once there, choose Sensible Timeouts for screen and sleep so your device conserves power without interrupting work. Make sure you know whether you're on battery or plugged in, because Windows uses different values for each. Change the values now to match your needs. If you use a laptop, set a shorter timeout on battery to extend runtime. Once done with the basic timeouts, click Additional Power Settings to open your power plan and select Change Advanced Power Settings. You'll find Sleep, Allow Hybrid Sleep, Hibernate After, and Lid Close Action here. Each setting changes how quickly the PC enters low power states and what happens when you close the lid or press the power button. Make sure to disable Hybrid Sleep if you want consistent behavior across restarts, and set hibernation timings only if you understand the trade-off between wake speed and power savings. To finish, test the configuration. You start, power, sleep, then wake the PC and confirm apps and peripherals resume properly. If sleep fails, make sure background apps aren't preventing it and examine Device Manager for network adapters or USB devices set to allow this device to wake the computer. For deeper diagnostics, run powerkg/requests and powerkg/lastwake in an elevated command prompt to find blockers. Once identified, change driver or device power settings and retest to confirm proper sleep behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.